Binders. In this module, we will cover basics of exe joiners or binders and its uses, and how to bind two exe files using Binders version 1.2 and iExpress. Binders are the applications used to combine two exe files. These are mainly used to combine malwares like backdoors, trojans, or password mailers with attractive applications to make them unsuspicious. Binding two files using iExpress. iExpress is a built-in binder resource in Windows. Actually, Microsoft provided this option for creating package installers. It is available in most of the Windows version. To use iExpress, open Run and type iExpress and hit enter. Now we have to select self-extraction directive file and click next. Our next step is to extract files and run an installation command. Select it and click on next and type the title name of your package and click on next and select no prompt and click on next and do not display a license. Select it and click on next. Select two files for binding. Click on add button and add two exe files to bind. I'm adding calculator and spider game. Click on open and click on next. Install program. Select the program to install first. I am selecting calculator.exe. Select the post installation command, which means to install on the background. I am installing spider.exe file and click on next. Next step is to select how your installation programs windows will be displayed, as default, hidden, minimized or maximized. Select default and click on next and click on no message and then next. Our next step is to enter the target path and file name of your package. Select the destination path and give file name as anything you want and save it. And click on next. No restart. Select no restart and click on next. 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 Finish. Now you binded two files. So this is the exe file which we created by binding spider.exe and calculator.exe using iExpress. By double clicking on ihc.exe, first calculator will be enabled. In the background, spider.exe will be enabled. So in this way, you can bind trojans or any malicious programs by using iExpress. To make it more effective, change the icon of ihc.exe file. For this, I am using Resource Hacker tool, which is present in our ihc toolbox. Double click on it and open it. Now select File option and select Open and choose ihc.exe file and open it. Now select Icon option, as we need to change the icon of exe file, and choose any one of those and right click on it and select Replace Resource. Now click on Open File with a new icon button and select any icon you need. I am selecting McAfee Security Scan icon and click on Open button. Now you can see different types of icons. Select any one of those and click on Replace button. Now click on File and save it. OK, now your exe file is created with a new icon, as you can see it. In this way, you can change the icon of any exe file by using Resource Hacker tool. Binding two exe files using third-party tools. We can also bind two exe files by using third-party tools like FBI Binder, file injector, etc. For this demonstration, I am using file injector version 3 to bind two exe files. Double click on file injector version 3.exe file which is present in your IHC toolkit and add files to bind like calculator and add spider.exe file, and now save file name as and click on bind files button. All files were binded. Here it is. So in this way, we can also bind two exe files by using third-party tools. If you want to change the icon of your exe file, use Resource Hacker tool.